Hi everyone! Welcome to Speak Perfect English. Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently in just 30 days? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through a daily English speaking plan to help you speak confidently, build your vocabulary, improve your pronunciation. Even if you're a beginner, you can start today and see amazing progress. So, are you ready? Let's begin your journey to fluency together.
Part 1. Why this 30-day plan works. Standing near a calendar. You might ask, can I really speak English fluently in 30 days? The answer is yes, if you practice daily and follow this simple routine. Speak for at least 15 to 30 minutes every day. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Practice sentences and short conversations aloud. Don't be afraid of mistakes, just speak. Quick tip. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about communicating confidently, even with small mistakes. Now let's break it down into 4 easy weeks. Part 2, the 30-day plan. Week 1, days 1 to 7, learn basic sentences and greetings. Whiteboard shows simple greetings. Start with these 10 easy greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. See you later. Let's say them together now. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Mini conversation practice. Now let's practice a short dialogue. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Let's say it together. Your person. Ready? Great job! Let's move on to the next step. Week 2, days 8 to 14, build vocabulary and short sentences. This week, we'll add new words and use them in short sentences. New words example. Happy. Sad. Tired. Excited. Hungry. Repeat after me. Happy. I am happy today. Sad. She feels sad. Mini speaking challenge. Now, I'll show you a word, and you'll make a sentence aloud. Ready? Hungry. Great! Now try with excited. Week 3, days 15 to 21, ask and answer questions. It's time to ask questions. Learn these common ones. What are you doing? Where are you going? When will you come? Why are you late? Who is your friend? Repeat after me, then answer aloud. What are you doing? Say, I am watching a video. Now, I'll ask questions, and you answer in English. Ready? Where are you going? Week 4, days 22 to 30. Speak freely for 5 minutes. Now let's practice speaking for 5 minutes daily. Choose topics you love. My family. My favorite food. My daily routine. I'll give you an example. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is Sarah. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. I go to work at 9 a.m. Part 3, Review and Motivation. Well done! You've learned a lot today. Review greetings, words, and questions. Practice speaking aloud daily. Remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Speak confidently and keep practicing every day. You've completed day 1 of your 30-day fluency journey. Keep going, and in just 1 month, you'll speak English much better. Subscribe to Speak Perfect English for daily lessons. Comment below, what's your favorite English word so far?
See you tomorrow.